Hey, what's up, guys? Carlo here. Today we're gonna talk about power words and what kind of power words there is and how can you apply them right now and increase your persuasion skills, your communication, and your sales without having to increase your advertising or do any expensive move. Look at your copy first. Look at the power words that you can apply right now. So power words are persuasive words that make a mental image that make you feel something. So if you want your reader to feel happy, to feel excited, to feel curious, to feel afraid, you need to use the correct power words. The good thing about power words is by a simple tweak, you just change one word from your offer and it's gonna make the whole difference. It doesn't matter if you're doing an email, a testimonial, a Facebook post, an Instagram post, calls to action, anything that has to do with communicating with people, you can apply power words and have better results. So today I'm gonna show you the kind of power words that make people encouragement, that make people excitement. Because when you're like scrolling down on your computer, you're probably really bored and you want something exciting, right? You want something that makes you go up of your chair and be excited about it. So in copywriting or anything that you write, it's really important to take people in this emotional roller coaster, to make them feel excited for this thing so they want to buy it or they want to learn about it. So I'm going to show you some of the best examples that I saw, but I'm going to share with you a list of the other power words that you can use so you can tweak them out and see if it fits for your audience. Because these power words are really powerful, but you need to make sure that your audience are gonna relate to them and it's gonna work and they understand. Because if they don't understand, it's not gonna work. They're gonna get bored and they're not gonna buy or even read. Because the main purpose here, guys, is to spice up your offer, spice up your words, anything that you're trying to do, that it relates communication, obviously. So amazing. You see, okay, I'm gonna show you. If you don't know yet, the power of power words basically is the difference between, let's say that you hit something, you stumble with something, and you say ouch, versus stumble on something and saying, right, the F word. It's way more powerful. If you just stumble into something, you're like, ouch, my finger hurts, right? Plus, if you yell, fuck, right, it makes a huge difference. So that's a clear example for you guys, so you understand why you should use power words right now if you're not already using them. And also I'm giving you all the words. So amazing, amazing sounds way better than good. Amazing, astonishing, life changing. This is a really good one. Like life changing product, this life changing program that is gonna solve your ex problem. Life changing. It sounds exciting. I even get excited when I read it, right? It's something that is gonna change my life for good. Magic, good one. Master. You know how it feels like you're gonna master the skill of making Facebook ad copy rather than saying you're gonna be really good. You see? Master being good. Master being good. You feel it yourself. So make a list and see the ones that hype you most. Awesome. Good. Awesome. Good. Awesome. Mind blowing. This is one of my favorites. Like this mind blowing fact. You even get excited. You see it and you're like, okay, I want to get my mind blown. Right? Breathtaking. This new breathtaking technique that is going to help you do this. Breathtaking. It's going to take your breath out. Something amazing. So it arises your curiosity also. Brilliant. This brilliant copy method rather than this good copy method and or this smart copy method. Smart sounds good, but brilliant is like something unique, right? Like something that it's effortless. Obviously, people want to buy because they want to avoid effort. So effortless sounds way better than, let's say that, no, easy is a good one, like low effort. You see, you're saying the same thing, that it's a low effort thing, but the word effortless just sounds better. It's just one word and it's really powerful. It's not like low effort, right? That's the power. Epic, something that it's really epic. Excited. If you see Russell Brunson, he uses like all the time. He's like, yeah guys, I'm really excited about this thing and this thing. I'm gonna tell you, I'm really excited. He's always telling this, so you get excited, because you need people to get in a certain state, in a certain emotion, to order to sell. Why? Because we buy through emotions, and then we justify with logic. So if you get someone excited, they're gonna learn more, they're gonna give it more importance to your message, to your product, and they're gonna be more prone buying. Do you remember the example that I gave you about the walls? That every people, when they're seeing your product, your offer, they have like thousands of walls. And if you can put each word, each objection, each pain, each thing that they're telling you, like, no, don't trust this guy, or this offer is not for me, it's not gonna work for me. With a power word like these ones, you get all of the barriers down, because you arise emotions. And when people get emotional, they are more prone to be persuaded, but not in a bad way, because we are persuading people to help them out, right? So eye-opening is a really good one. I just fearless. No one wants to be afraid, right? Because we think it's something negative. And I love this one, jaw-dropping. Why? Because it not only excites you, like, what is it? Is it gonna be jaw-dropping? But it makes a mental image in your head. And making mental images is one of the most important things in copy you can do today. Because making a mental image, I've told you a couple of times about the image superiority. Like, when we see pictures, we can get thousands of input of information in 1 second, right? You see like this image of this lion, you can assume like thousands of things, all the colors, all the things. You could make a whole story about this lion and why he has so many colors. But if I show you just the word like lion, it doesn't tell you much, right? You're gonna think about the lions that you have seen in your life, but it doesn't tell you that much. So the best thing you can do to persuade is make mental images. So you're not just taking advantage of words, but you're also taking advantage of the mental images, of that primal thing human beings have of processing images. So I hope you liked it. I hope you employ these power words right now. Every message that you type, everything that you do, you write, your email you write for your online business, for anything that you do, if you put power words, you're gonna see better results. You're gonna get more people's attention, and you can apply it right now. So if you wanna see more of these free trainings in the future, please subscribe down below, and thanks for watching.